Hello everyone, I'd like to start today's session with a series of warm-up exercises and some workouts that you can do at home. Okay, so if you are stuck at home and you have no access to a gym or during the situations happening around the world, these are some good exercises that you can do at home to stay physically fit, keep in shape and mentally strong. Okay, so these are exercises that don't really need any equipment. You don't need anything for these. All you need is a small area, and you can do these exercises by yourself. You can follow these exercises that I'm going to tell you on this video and then continue. This is actually our first video for our next series that we're going to do. It will all be for home exercises. Okay, I'm going to show you the exercises. I'm just going to do a quick one on every single exercise. Then I'm going to tell you how long you should be doing it for, or you can actually do it for as long as you like. If you just want to do these exercises for one day. If you're going to do, for our next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some techniques that you can do. So if you're going to do those techniques, I will shorten these exercises that I'm going to do right now to just warm up, and then you can move on in doing those exercises. Okay, so one of the really good exercises to start anything with is actually just doing simple jumping jacks. Okay, that will get your heart rate going, get your body warmed up. So in order to do a nice jumping jacks, you go feet together, your arms to the side, and then you're going to move and coordinate your arms and feet together, open and close. Now for this one, I would recommend if you are doing it, just these exercises, go up to 50, do 3 sets of 50. If you want to just do a warm-up, just do it for shorter, do it for 20 or 30, and then do it in sets. Okay, the next exercise is going to be just running on the spot. Okay, very simple, but very good. You just want to bring your knees and move your arms at the same time. Okay, so you want to bring your knees up. Make sure you're running on ball of the foot, and use your arms. Okay, this is also a really good exercise to warm your body up. And then after this, what we'll do is we'll do a few floor exercises. Okay, the first floor exercise that I really like to do first to really get a warm, active core is just doing simple planks. Now you can do long arm planks, or you can do planks on your forearms. So I'll just show you both. I'm going to go to the side. Okay, so the long arm plank, you want to keep your hands right on your shoulders, keep your back nice and straight, make sure you're not collapsing like this, get a nice form, and you can just hold this exercise maybe for about 30 seconds or so, and do maybe a couple or 3 sets. The next one is also a plank, but you do it on your forearms. Most of you might know it as dolphin planks. Okay, so what you do is you place your forearms on the floor, you have your hands together. Make sure your head is over your thumbs and just hold a nice plank. In addition to this, you can also get a good warm up by raising one leg at a time, counting to 3, 2, 1, and then other side, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so these two exercises are also, you can see my breathing is going because these are actually very good exercises to get you started. All right. So you can start with this, warm up your body, and the next one I'd like to show you is mountain climbers. Again, floor exercises. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you from the side actually, this side. When you start this one though, make sure you start nice and slow because it has some pressure on the back, so you want to start nice and slow, and then you can pick up speed as your sets keep going. So go into that long arm plank that I showed you, get a good form. Slowly bring your knees forward, and then you can pick up speed as you keep going. The next one is again from a plank position. You can do this on your long arms or on your forearms. Okay, so this is called plank jacks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my forearm plank here, feet together, and I'm going to open my legs, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay, these are a really good series of exercises that you can do at home. Now once you do this, then what you want to do is you want to include stretching in there. Stretching is extremely important. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few stretching exercises you can do at home. The first one, I like to go legs apart. Make sure your knees are slightly bent. Make sure they're not locked, slightly bent. Engage your core. Make sure your toes are facing forward. Put your hands on your leg and slide them down to your ankles. Then up. Every stretching exercise, minimum 30 seconds. Okay? Once you're there, stay there. And this time, you're going to keep your left hand on your left ankle and you're going to bring your right arm to meet it. Okay? And then you do the same to the other side. This will really warm up the back of your legs, get your hamstrings nice and stretched. All right? Slowly come up. Now once you do that, now you do a little bit of upper body. Stretch your arms. I will do about 10 circles forward, 10 circles backwards. Okay? The next one, again, is upper body. I have my feet apart, shoulder width. Extend my right arm back, put my hand behind my head, put my hand on my elbow, and I just press it. This will stretch all this area of your body. You want to do the same on the other side. Okay? Once you do that, go back to lower body. This time you go feet together. Again, slightly have a slight bend into your knees. And again, stretch all the way down. You can have your hands on your shins, your feet, or on the floor in front of you. Okay? So, again, every stretch between 30 seconds to 45 seconds. The next one that I really like is thread the needle, which is really good for your back muscles and for your glutes. It will really stretch you up and make sure you're warm so you don't pull any tendons in the back area of your body. Okay? So what you want to do, you want to go back, you want to lie back, you're going to bring one arm up, put it over the knee on the other side, raise your leg, make sure one hand goes through, grab the back of your leg, with this one support it, place your head on the floor, nice and relaxed, and just stretch. After 30 seconds, 45 seconds, you do the other side. Once that's done, and you're on the floor, you can sit down, and we do the same thing we did standing. Okay, legs apart, both hands on the ankles, and a nice stretch here, go to the left, go to the right. Okay. I would recommend doing these exercises at least every other day, okay? And you can increase it by increasing the time or by increasing the repetition, all right? The other exercise is really good. I would say if you are doing just exercises, stretching one day, I'm gonna show you another exercise that's really going to be helpful with keeping you in shape. Is just doing simple burpees, okay? And when you do burpees, you can raise your arms up, do a little jump, get on the floor. Now, I like to always add a push-up, and then I jump my legs forward. I come up first, then I repeat. And you can do that as many times as you like. Now, if you want to do it without the push-ups, it's up to you, and or you can do it with the push-ups and get some upper body workout from that as well. All right, so that's a really good warm-up stretchy routine for you, and look forward to our next video, which is I'm going to go doing some home techniques with punching and kicking. Thanks for joining me today. Stay well. We'll see you next time.